Welcome back to the Xiaomi Farm. Today we're going to be taking a look at the Xiaomi Mechanical Keyboard. They did an okay job with the packaging. You can see how it got a little bit dented when it got imported, but that's alright because it's just a box. Let's get inside of this. You can open the side over here like this. And oh, nice. So the packaging did its job. Basically the keyboard was completely protected, so that is a good sign. Here we have some Chinese words, as you can see. Some words in Chinese. Anyways, we got the keyboard inside. Right off the bat, I love the minimalist design of this keyboard. It's an aluminum casing, and it has black plastic keys, which just feel and look really nice. So there's nothing else really in the box. All there is some kind of rubber feet. Oh, these are the rubber feet for the keyboard. So these are important. We will put these aside. Let's take out the keyboard. We got some more instructions here. Also all in Chinese, so if you can read Chinese, then these are very helpful. If you want the keyboard to be higher, you can take out these feet and you can put in these. But let's just test it how it is right now. Let's give it a try. Key switches feel really nice right away. Comparing it to my Razer keyboard, the Razer keyboard it requires a lot more pressure to click it down. These are a lot more silent too, so these are, I think, a much better typing experience than compared to the Razer keyboard. So we're gonna test out the RGB lighting, and I'm gonna get this set up, and then we're just gonna do that right away. Typing on this keyboard just feels really responsive, and the keys have a very nice tactile feedback, which just is really very comfortable for typing. So I really like this keyboard. Build quality is fantastic, and the RGB lighting is actually very cool. So you can change the lighting by holding FN and page down, which will actually cycle through the colors. I personally like a more simple lighting pattern, but if you like something more fancy, they have like other effects which you can do. Anyways, that's all for this video. If you guys want to help support the Xiaomi Farm, leave a thumbs up or subscribe, and I'll help us out this farm.